Hey y'all, my mama manias and papa manias. Yeah man, it's your girl man Debbie from over by West Indian Delights. Welcome you all man to my new channel. Welcome to Jamaican DebbieDebs. Yes, remember I was telling you that I had a little bonus coming up for you. Yes, I decided that when I reach 500 subscribers that I would give you a bonus. Now I'm over 500, but I'm still onto this. So welcome. This channel is about real life thing. If you look at the heading up there, we tell you real Jamaican, real Caribbean lifestyle living. I am a Caribbean woman, and more specific, I'm a Jamaican woman. So this channel will all be about my family, in depth, not so much personal things, but you will see a little bit as I go about my daily life, how I go about going over my hurdles, go about day-to-day family life challenges. You'll see a little bit of my house as we go along. You'll see a little more and more as we go along outside of the kitchen from Jamaican DebbieDebs. So you come on all over here. Like, subscribe, and start sharing my videos. Now, I might just do 2 uploads per week. I have not made up my mind if it's gonna be Tuesday and Saturday or Wednesday and Sunday, but I'll let you know in my next video. So as I said before, it's gonna be about real Jamaican lifestyle, how we go about our everyday life, how we go about just doing things in Jamaica. And I know you'll be in for quite a ride, and I know you'll enjoy. So thanks once more. Thanks for your support over on West Indian Delight. Thank you. And first and foremost, I'll be leaving you all with a Jamaican proverb. Yeah, patois will be over here, and you will get more in depth with the patois right here. And this one goes, I'm gonna start off with a Jamaican patois proverb. Cow never know the use I'm tail till him not have it for fan fly. Cow never know the use I'm tail till him not have it for fan fly. I'll leave it in the description, so when you see me next, I'll explain to you in depth what it means in English and all of that, the whole momentum behind it, the whole moral, so to speak, behind it. So come on over here, let's see how it works. Thank you, I love you.